In front of me is REALME GT7 and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. Begin by opening Devices Settings. Now you need to scroll down to click on Apps, over here. Following that, select App Cloner and click on any app you wish to clone. Finally, to actually clone it, just click on the grey switcher next to Create App Clone and wait. Then you can click on Rename App Clone and type in whatever you want to. I will go with Facebook too. Hit Save. Tap on Default App to open and decide if you want it to be Original App or App Clone. You can also select option Always Ask and select in the pop-up each time. So when I go back and check my app, I can see that it was successfully cloned. To delete this clone, you can hold it and click on Uninstall in the pop-up, or you can go back to your settings and click on this blue switcher next to Create App Clone at the top, then tap on Delete. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!